All right, and the last topic here to talk about real quick is ice control systems. You should know a little bit more about ice control. Really, there's two critters here that we need to understand: de-ice and anti-ice. And the way we think of the difference, a de-ice system removes the ice buildup. You would activate it, it turns on for a brief period of time, removes ice, and then turns off. So it's an on-off deal. It's let ice build up, activate system, remove ice, wait for it to build up again. And we can have pneumatic boots on the leading edges with built-in inflation tubes. We can also have electric boots like on the propellers with embedded wires. That was what we had on our Piper Seneca. That was a nice protected airplane. And it simply ran 90 seconds on each propeller and then switched to the other one. So it always cycled on and off. So they were known as a de-ice electric boot system on it. The other critter is anti-ice. So it's always turned on and preventing ice buildup to begin with. So your pitot heat, you turn on your pitot heat. That is anti-ice because you're not turning it on and off. You're just turning it on and leaving it on. Heated leading edges are another example. Here is a de-ice boot system. With the de-ice boot system, we notice we have buildup of ice. This next picture, we have even more ice. It gets to the certain point where we want to activate the system. We inflate the tubes and it pretty much clears off, as you can see in this other picture here, a portion of the leading edge. Notice that there's probably still a little bit of ice trailing behind it and a little bit of ice underneath it as well. So it doesn't clear off the entire wing. So you can still have ice built up on your wing, but you got the critical leading edge exposed again to help with your airflow.